Yo, 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 what is going on, everybody? It's your boy Turbo back again. This video, I just want to go over some things with Forza Horizon 5. If you guys would like to join the Crossfade Motorsports Club, which is my official club, been around since Horizon 1 and Motorsport 4, all the Forza games since then that supported club features, we've been here. So yeah, basically just wanted to put up a quick video. I know the last video the quality was a little bit weird. I tried using Sony Vegas Pro 14 and I guess something with the render settings was wrong or whatever, so like it kind of looks like sort of washed out in a sense. I'm sure you noticed that the color was kind of off. So we're gonna try it a little differently this time. We're gonna record through Streamlabs OBS and record audio through Audacity. That's how I'm gonna do this one here and see how it goes. Let me know in the comments section down below if this is much better quality for you guys on your end, or if you think I can improve it a little bit more, I will do so. But back on the topic of the video, Crossfade Motorsports Club. If you want to join, great. If not, I'm giving you the option. It is free enrollment. Anybody can join this. Basically, this is the club page here on Xbox itself. We have, at the moment of this video, 35 members, as you can see there. So if I go over to the manage section, you can see I do have it free to join. So anybody can just freely search this club on Horizon 5. I will show you a couple different ways you can get into the club. So firstly, it would be to just go to the clubs tab here in the online section of the pause menu, and you could just go to search clubs, and it's going to take you back to the Xbox dealio here, and you could just type in Crossfade Motorsports here. Should be able to anyway. Now I'm already in the club, so it might affect the way it shows up, but we'll just type it in quick and see what happens. Yep, so it pops up right here, 35/2000. So that is one way you could do it that way, directly through there. And I will also leave a link below so you can just click that link and sign into your Xbox account, and it'll bring you to a website. You can just join right there as well. You don't even gotta go on your Xbox. But yeah, just want to make a quick video going over that, and we will go more in depth with some future events planned. I want to do like a little race series, track style, and then we got some roll racing and drag racing brackets we're gonna introduce. So if you guys want to join the club, and everything will be posted in there about it, and get some testing going once servers straighten out. But yeah, thanks for checking out this video quick, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.